The other day, the customer in our place with a new key and then said, "Is today marking wrong?" Then let's see what the problem is. The key is inserted into the lock cylinder. The meter opens. The meter shows safe. This is an anti-theft meter. It means the key is not legal. Then start the engine. After starting, the engine stalls. Then we take this device to test it. Recognize the key. The chip was not detected. The chip was no longer recognized. After I consulted the customer, he said he forgot the key when he went downstairs and asked his daughter-in-law to give him the key. But she didn't want to come down, so she threw the key down for him. So the key to him threw down the last we saw as this key has been damaged to see the extent of the fall of the... Look at how badly it's fallen. Let's take the key apart and take a look. It's obvious to see this piece has been cracked. This is the new key we gave him, and now the coil is broken, so he can't send the message and our chip can't recognize it. So what should we do? We just need to replace the coil with an identical inductor and then replace it with a new key. This is an inductive coil which is used as an antenna inside the keyboard to send and receive data. Then I found a new inductor coil. Directly replace it then if it is new. If it is good, then we can measure. We put the multimeter. Meter to the on-off gear. And then to measure the inductor coil on both sides of the is on and the resistance is around 25 ohms, then this coil is good, like our bad one. It has been desoldered underneath, so we can just break it off and replace it with a new one. It's bad. Then we solder the new one on. This inductor coil does not distinguish. Positive and negative poles are not differentiated, so we can just solder this way or this way or this way. Okay, now we've soldered it. Like this inductor coil, we can use other wasteboards, old key, or leakage of the old key, not repaired the kind of old key. If this coil you can remove can also be used. Then we use a device to recognize it. Okay, now that the key is fixed, let's try to start it. Okay, no problem. The meter doesn't show any safe error. It works. Do you think this is a simple problem? If you have the same problem, follow this method of repair. Well, that's all for today.